Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? And the short answer is yes. While we're still in the seller's market, the truth is that there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak of the past few years. The good news is that buyers still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. However, due to the high interest rates and the high prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. And that's why today I'm going to go through a few things to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Number 1, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent before you list to go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money. Invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and get you a higher return on your investment. It might be worth it for a pre-inspection before you list. This way you can identify what might turn buyers away before your property hits the market. Point number 2, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into 2 categories: cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment. High maintenance repairs take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of those both. Your realtor will help you find the right balance in those 2 categories. Point number 3, proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to interest rates and high home prices. However, you can still attract a lot with a property in good condition. If you do proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in for better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up your price. I always recommend sellers do repairs before you make it available on the market. But it's important in this market that ever before, if you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or send me an email. I'd love to hear from you. I'm DeVonna Meyer with eXp Realty, and I am your real estate advocate.